Learn English in 10 days. Yes, that's correct. In 10 days. Hello and welcome to our 10-day English Learning Challenge. I'm Professor English, and I'm here to help you learn English quickly and easily. Over the next 10 days, we'll cover topics to help you speak and understand English well. English is a global language spoken by millions of people around the world. Whether you're learning for travel, work, or personal growth, learning English can open many doors for you. Did you know that English is the official language in over 50 countries? Here's what we'll cover over the next 10 days. Basic words, common phrases, grammar rules, pronunciation tips, and much more. Each day will build on what we've learned, so make sure to follow along. By the end of this series, you'll have a good foundation. Before we start, let's talk about setting goals and expectations. Learning a new language takes time and practice, so it's important to be patient with yourself. Set small, easy goals for each day. For example, aim to learn 10 new words or practice speaking for 5 minutes. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Let's start with some basic greetings and introductions. Hello, my name is Professor English. What's your name? Great. Now try saying, nice to meet you. Excellent. Practice this with me. Hello, my name is Professor English. What's your name? Great. Nice to meet you. Next, let's learn how to ask and answer about age. How old are you? Practice this with me. How old are you? Great. Now try answering, I am 20 years old. Excellent. Now, let's talk about where you live. Where do you live? Practice this with me. Where do you live? Great. Now try answering. I live in Florida. Excellent. Lastly, let's learn how to ask and answer about your job. What do you do for a living? Practice this with me. What do you do for a living? Great. Now try answering. I am a teacher. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice introducing yourself to someone nearby or even in front of a mirror. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you don't have anyone to practice with, try recording yourself and playing it back to see how you did. Understanding culture is also important when learning a new language. In English-speaking countries, it's common to shake hands when you meet someone for the first time. Making eye contact and smiling can also help make a good impression. These small gestures can help you connect with others. Let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make. One mistake is translating directly from your native language to English. This can lead to awkward sentences. Instead, try to think in English as much as possible. You might think of saying, I have 20 years, because that's how it might be said in your language. In English, we say, I am 20 years old. See the difference? Translating directly can make your sentences sound strange. Instead, try to think in English and use the correct phrases. This will help you sound more natural. Another mistake is being afraid to make errors. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Don't be afraid to speak up and practice. Learning a new language can be hard, but it's also very rewarding. Stay motivated by reminding yourself why you started, whether it's to travel, advance your career, or connect with new people. Keep your goals in mind. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. I am here to support you every step of the way. Great job today. Next, we'll dive into essential vocabulary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. See you for day 2 of our 10-day challenge.